Good morning, everyone. This is the 4th day of my sourdough starter lesson. Okay, I want you to see, I started this morning and I noticed that we're really not getting a lot of bubbly action, and I think it's because this starter is very hungry, and that's why we're not getting the bubbles that we're supposed to in the activity. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out a half a cup. Now, if you take out a half a cup, you're going to be able to feed this. You're still going to have plenty for a starter. So here's your half a cup. Take it out. I'll tell you what to do with this later. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 50 grams of flour, still using the organic rye. 50 grams of flour into this, whatever's left. You don't even have to worry about how much is left. Just take out the half a cup. What you're going to do is add 50 grams of flour. Now, 50 grams of flour is like 2 giant heaping tablespoons. So if you don't have a scale like I do, I use this scale, which really helps. But if you don't have one, just figure about 2 good sized tablespoons of flour. Mix that in, because this thing was very hungry, and that's why we didn't have the activity that we should have had, the bubbles and the rising. So there's your, and then I have the 50 grams of water, which really is only about 2 tablespoons, a little bit more. And the reason I'm not being exact, you can be exact if you use a scale. When I first started doing sourdough, I always used a scale, because then I can get the exact ingredients. But what you really want to go with is consistency. And when this thing is hungry, before it was very watery, liquidy, so it wasn't getting enough nutrition. You see how it's nice and lumpy now? That's the food. And tomorrow, you're going to see how this thing is going to rise, because now taking this out, this much out, gives this a chance to eat a lot better. So with the 50 grams of flour and the 50 grams of water, which is pretty much two large tablespoons each, and then whatever was left from the starter, now I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to even leave it open a little bit because I wanted to get some oxygen. I don't want to seal it all the way, although you can. I had been sealing it all the way, but I'm going to leave it open a little. Tomorrow you're going to see this thing. I'm going to put a rubber band, as a matter of fact. Hang on. Get the sides all the way clear, because what you're going to do is you're going to see how it rises tomorrow. Okay. Keep it nice and clean. And then take this and just wipe it, because I'm going to put a rubber band around the amount so you can see how much it grows. Do we have any rubber bands around here? Because I can just use a marker. Let me get a marker. Okay. So take it, and you see it's just about that high. All the way around. Tomorrow, it's probably going to be up to here. You want it to see if it doubles in size. Now, with the starter that you have left over, I would say throw it out, even though it's going to kill you to do it, because, you know, this is, you're thinking it's your baby and all. And when I first started learning, I thought, oh, I'm not going to throw it out. But it doesn't have enough healthy bacteria right now. So you're getting some bad bacteria in there too. And you don't want to get a stomach ache or worse. So just throw it out, even if it kills you. Just do it. And then the next time around, when this thing starts getting active and it's really healthy with the good bacteria, then when you do discard, they call it discard, which is what this is, you can keep it and then save it, and then you can make recipes with discard. But right now, get rid of it. And there you go. That's it. Thank you.